How to make passive income from buy-to-let property. This article explores how you can earn passively by investing in the buy-to-let property. Moreover, learn more about the details of the real estate world, as well as recommendations for first-time investors and a list of typical traps to avoid when investing in property. The possibility of earning passive income is one of the main incentives for investors to invest in real estate. However, it is essential to consider your financial situation, current lifestyle, and goals before embarking on your property investment journey. Take a step closer to financial independence by earning passive income from buy-to-let or rental property. How to generate passive income from real estate. Typically, rental properties generate real estate revenue. Generating a consistent monthly income from renters is feasible if an investor picks the right property in the right location. In the future, you'll likely be able to collect a large quantity of money in one go, specifically from a growth in the value of your investment property at the time of sale. Realize that producing passive income from real estate does involve some initial effort. Searching for homes, vetting prospective tenants, making any necessary modifications and additions, ensuring the property is up to code, and confirming the property may be legally rented all need a certain amount of legwork. What should you know before making passive income from buy-to-let property investment? Be in a strong financial position. Before investing in any type of asset, it is essential to check that your financial status is stable. In addition, investors need to maintain an emergency fund that may be utilized to cover unforeseen expenses, such as repairs, rent defaults, or rare vacant periods. Obtain the ideal investment property. Before purchasing any property, you must determine your ultimate objective. Are you looking for an apartment that is likely to be occupied for a long time? Would you rather buy a property or let on a short-term basis? Or do you want to rent a house for a few years before selling it for a profit? Developing a broader investing plan may help you uncover the answers to such questions and give your property search more clarity. Consider the work required up front. If you're considering your first property investment or want to take on a smaller project, you'll want to discover something near to move in, ready and desirable to renters. More experienced investors or those with more time and money to spare may consider purchasing a house that requires extensive repairs or renovations. Develop an effective business strategy. To ensure the success of your passive income investment, you must plan and develop a business strategy that will help you achieve your goals. To produce passive income, you must understand your target demographic, the neighborhood or location you are investing in, the ideal property type, and the market. After selecting a property, you must develop a plan for managing renters, documentation, finances, and the property itself. Consider employing a property management organization. If you do not wish to oversee the day-to-day operations of an investment property, you can engage a property management firm. They will be able to manage tasks such as tenant screening, rental money collection, and handling concerns such as repairs or when things don't go as planned. Typically, you will be required to pay a property management business a commission, but in exchange, you will have peace of mind knowing that everything will operate smoothly. Select the suitable market. When searching for a property that would provide passive income each month, location is one of the most crucial factors. Finding the appropriate property in the right location may affect the profitability of a property based on demand for real estate and the availability of local amenities. Investors may often select between an established market and an emerging one when evaluating how to generate passive income. This is because established markets are usually less risky, safer and more reliable, and more likely to provide investors with instant rewards. On the other hand, emerging markets are often cheaper and likely to have quicker growth over time. Available amenities. The next consideration is the area's amenities. This might be a sign that your investment will be lucrative. Properties near excellent schools, supermarkets, nightlife, restaurants, recreational facilities, employment prospects, and public transportation tend to produce greater yields and faster growth. Many investors will select an investment property in their immediate vicinity mostly because they are familiar with the region and can monitor the property, if necessary, quickly. What should you consider before purchasing a rental property? Before investing in a rental property, it is essential to comprehend the associated costs, which might include the following. Most likely, if you are investing in a property, it is not your first residence. If so, you will be required to pay an additional 3% of the property's entire worth as stamp duty tax. You will also be required to pay a 25% deposit of the total property price. When you begin generating rental income, you may also be required to pay income tax, if your taxable income exceeds £12,500. Mortgage costs. Survey costs. Errors to avoid when generating passive income from property. As a landlord, there are some typical errors to avoid generating passive income. First, especially at the beginning, to maximize your return on investment. Cash flow. The ultimate objective of property ownership is to gain capital appreciation while generating regular monthly cash flow. Therefore, ensuring that your income is sufficient to pay your expenses is essential. Selecting tenants. You, as a landlord, will want to attract the best renters possible for your property. Whether in property damage, rent delinquency, or a prolonged eviction procedure, nasty renters may be quite expensive. Taking the effort to carefully screen renters by examining their credit history and references might save you a great deal of trouble in the future. Stay organized. New investors must understand everything associated with being a landlord. Property management should not be done lightly, it should be addressed as if it were a startup company. By maintaining regular interaction with renters or the property management business, landlords may also ensure that their property is well maintained. A well-managed property will have a lower vacancy rate, a higher market value, and less risk. Make your tenants happy. To ensure that your rental property continues to provide monthly passive income, one of the most crucial and simplest strategies is to respond to the requirements of your renters promptly. If there are any concerns or problems with the rental unit, take care of them as soon as possible, especially for urgent tenant demands. Making money from renting out your home may be a terrific source of passive income for those who want to improve their finances. A well-thought-out plan, a thorough grasp of cash flow, and an appreciation that being a landlord isn't all fun and games may help you avoid many of the mistakes that some investors make. Investing in buy-to-let property offers a remarkable opportunity to generate passive income and secure your financial future. By thoroughly researching the market, treating your investment as a business, and implementing effective property management strategies, you can create a steady stream of income without the need for constant active involvement. It's essential to stay informed about legal obligations, stay on top of property maintenance, and make wise financial decisions. With the right approach and a long-term mindset, buy-to-let properties can serve as a powerful vehicle for building wealth and achieving financial freedom. With the right approach and a long-term mindset, buy-to-let properties can serve as a powerful vehicle for building wealth and achieving financial freedom. So, take the leap, educate yourself, and embark on the exciting journey of making passive income from buy-to-let property.